Imagine matter as a giant Lego set. Atoms are the tiniest building blocks of everything around us. At the center lies a nucleus of protons and neutrons. Electrons orbit around that nucleus like tiny, invisible, fast-moving satellites. This structure explains why each element has unique chemical properties. Just like Lego pieces, different atoms snap together through bonds. Understanding atoms is step 1 in exploring the particle nature. Simple sketches show protons in red and neutrons in blue. Electrons appear as glowing loops orbiting that tiny core relentlessly. This vivid analogy makes invisible particles feel familiar and playful. Now, let's build molecules from these atomic building blocks together. Next, we discover how atoms join together to form molecules. This atomic insight truly transforms how we see everyday materials. Molecules form when 2 or more atoms bond together tightly. A water molecule features 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms. These atoms connect through shared electrons in strong covalent bonds. A simple whiteboard diagram shows each atom snapping together easily. This tiny assembly gives water its unique properties and behavior. Hydrogen bonds then link water molecules in a dynamic network. That network makes ice float and water stick to surfaces. We illustrate this with playful blocks connecting and detaching smoothly. Molecule building explains how countless substances take shape everywhere around us. Next, we see ions at work in simple salt formation. Ionic interactions power everyday products like table salt and batteries. Our whiteboard illustration shows sodium giving electron to chlorine atom. Ions arise when atoms gain or lose electrons, creating charges. Sodium atoms easily lose 1 electron to become positively charged. Chlorine atoms gain that electron, transforming into negatively charged ions. Opposite charges attract, so sodium and chloride ions cling together. This bond forms the familiar crystals we call table salt. Salt crystals can be recreated by snapping Lego blocks together. Our sketches clearly color-code positive ions green and negatives orange. Watching ions snap into place shows chemistry's playful side clearly. These charged particles drive reactions in our bodies and environment. From nerve signals to battery power, ions are essential agents. Now we've seen atoms, molecules, and ions form all matter. Let this Lego analogy inspire your curiosity about unseen world. Everything around us is built from these tiny, powerful pieces, endlessly shaping the vast, amazing diversity of materials and phenomena in our invisible universe. Explore the building blocks of everything today.